Hello everyone and welcome back. In this episode, ako karong hisgutan kung saon pagpa-show sa mga hidden files sa Windows computer. The users can hide their folders for security reason, probably to protect their files from hackers and viruses. Okay. For example, we will make this as hidden folder. So right click and then select properties, click hidden and then apply. Okay, apply changes to this folder only. Click OK and then OK. Okay, so the downloads folder is already hidden. Now another example. Okay, so select properties, click hidden, click apply and then apply changes to this folder only. Okay, so the two folders are already hidden in the computer, but actually they are not erased from the hard drive. They are only not shown in the view of our computer because they are already hidden. So ang pangutana karon, unsaon nato nga mapabalik nato ang mga hidden folders sa atong computer? Okay, so in this video tutorial, mao kini ang atong task karon. So at this point in time, I will demonstrate now the process on how to show the hidden files and folders back to your computer. Okay, just follow this video very closely so that you can perform this also in your own computer. Let's do it now. Okay, first click the start button, then control panel, then see to it that the large icon is chosen for view by, and then look for the folder options. Then in the next window, we are going to view the next part of our dialog box. Then click this and then apply and then click OK. Okay, so now the two hidden folders are already back in your computer. So I have just demonstrated the process of showing the hidden folders. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the show and learned something from this episode. Kini si Gines Asinas, kaninyo kanunay mabagaron. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments. Bye-bye!